Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest notification which was released by UPSC. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. UPSC is nothing but the Union Public Service Commission, and it is a central board for selecting the candidates for central government jobs, and they have released the notification for the postings of Naval Academy examination and for National Defense Academy. So if you are interested and if you are having a passion of working in government sector, you can apply for this examination. So they have released a notification regarding this. So in this video, I will explain you in a detailed manner. The first is about they have mentioned that if you are interested and if you think you are eligible, you are only allowed to do your application procedure, and they have also mentioned you to study this PDF very carefully and read it thoroughly for further references also. So the next is about how to apply. So you have to apply only through online mode, and it will be available in the official UPSC's website, that is upsconline.nic.in. So you have to go to that website and you have to give your basic details, that is your Aadhaar card number, PAN card, your photo and some of the things, and at last you have to do your application procedure. So the next is about the submission of the application. So the application has been started from today itself, and the application's last date is 19 January 2021 till 6 o'clock. So the online application can be withdrawn from 27/1/2021 to 2/2/2021. So in these days only you have to withdraw your online applications also. And they have also mentioned that they will be issuing the e-admit card before the 3 weeks of the commencement of the examination, and the admit card will not be sent you for post. So please be aware of that things. And next is about this examination is they will be having an examination. In this PDF they have given in a detailed manner. I will explain you. And they have also mentioned that there will be a penalty for wrong answers, that is negative marking. So please be aware of that thing. And while going for your examination, you have to take your black ball pen only. So other than that, you are not expected to bring any of this thing. And they will be giving you the OMR sheet. You have to be very aware of that thing. And please be very careful about these things also. So while going for your examination, mobile phones are banned, and some other gadgets and Bluetooth devices and other equipment will be banned. So please be aware of that thing. So here comes about the examination details. So the approximate number of vacancies for this postings is, so National Academy, it was in defense. So 370 postings are there. So it will include 208 posts about for Army, and 42 postings for Navy, and 120 posts for Air Force. So that will be including 28 for ground duties also. The next is about the Naval Academy 10+2 cadet entry scheme. So there are only 30 postings. So there are totally 400 postings and vacancies are there. So if you're having a passion of working in a government sector, it is a very well known and a good opportunity. You can use it. And they have also given some of the details about this examination. You can read it thoroughly. And next is about the centers of the examination. So you will be selected based on an examination. They will be conducting an examination. So they have given and they have mentioned the examination centers all over India. So you can check through it. And before doing your application procedure, you can give in the choice of your center also. And the next is about the eligibility criteria. First is nationality. So if you are applying for this, you should be a citizen of India and a subject to Nepal. And they have also mentioned some of the details regarding this. You can check through it. And next is about the age limit, sex and marital status. So if you are applying for this, you should be a male candidate and you should not be married. You should be an unmarried male candidate, and you have to be born between 2 July 2002 and not later than 1st July 2005. So in these days only you should have your date of birth, and if you're not, or if you're expecting these days, you will not be eligible. Please be aware of that thing. And the date of birth accepted by the commission is that entered in the matriculation or secondary school leaving certificate. Don't do any misconduct or any silly things. Please avoid these things, and if you're doing that, you will be severely punished. And regarding this age limit and criteria, they have mentioned some of the things. You can check through it. And next is about the educational qualification. For Army Wing and for National Defense Academy, you should possess 12th class pass or of 10+2 pattern of school education or any equivalent examination conducted by the State Education Board. For Air Force and Naval Wings of National Defense Academy, you should be possessing of 12th class pass with physics, chemistry and mathematics. So you should be learning these subjects also, and in a pattern of 10+2 only. And you should possess your 12th class from a recognized university or school, and they have given some of the things regarding this. So the next is about the physical standards. It is an army and naval and some of the academies, so they are expecting physical standards from you. So please be physically fit, and you should have been resigned or withdrawn or disciplinary grounds from any of the training academies. It will be more eligible. And they have also mentioned that if you have been withdrawn on any disciplinary grounds from any of the training academies of armed forces, you will not be eligible to apply. So please be aware of that thing. And next is about the fees, that is the application fees. So for all of the candidates, 100 rupees must be paid, and it is expected for SC, ST candidates. Sums of JCOs, NCOs and OR specified in note 2. So you can check through it. And if you are paying your application fees, you have to do only through online mode, through net banking, MasterCard, RuPay credit or debit card. So you can check through it. So here they have given some of the procedure which should be followed by doing your online application procedure. So we can check through it. And the next is about how to apply. So you have to apply for these postings only through online mode, and they have given the detailed instructions about this. So before doing your application procedure, read this PDF. For your convenience, we have given the official PDF link in the description box, so you can check through it. And next is about the selection procedure. So it will be of 2 stages selection procedure based on your psychological aptitude test and intelligence test, and it will be conducted by the selection centers, Air Force selection boards and naval selection boards. So you have to do this examination very carefully. After that only you will be going for the selection procedures. For that you have to take your original 10+2 pass certificate or equivalent in support of educational qualification. And they have also mentioned the written examination details, so you have to check through it. So here is the scheme of the examination. It will be of conducting of 2 subjects, that is of mathematics, and the next is about general ability test. So both the subjects will be having of 2.5 hours, and so maximum marks is 900. So you have to pass through this examination. After that only you will be going to the next procedure. Please be aware of that thing. And they have also given the syllabus. So for mathematics, they are conducting, and the questions will be asked in the fields of algebra, matrix, matrices and demerits, and trigonometry and analytical geometry of 2 and 3 dimensions, and about differential calculus and integral calculus and differential equations. So based on this fields and sectors, the examination questions will be asked. So please be prepared of that thing also. So it will be for mathematics subject. And for general ability, they will be conducting of part A and part B. So the part A will be of English. So it will be designed to understand the knowledge of English. It will be conducting of grammar, usage, vocabulary, comprehension and cohesion in extended text. These questions will be tested to analyze your proficiency in English. So please be prepared from now itself. And the next is about the general knowledge. It will be covered the subjects of physics, chemistry, general science, social studies, geography and current events. In physics, they have given the syllabus. So please be aware of that thing and please start to study from now itself. And they have given the syllabus for chemistry, general studies, history, freedom movement, etc. and geography also, and current events also. So for current events, you have to be very prepared about latest current affairs. They have given the weightages also, so you can check through it. For each and every section, they have given the weightages. If you are passing in these subjects and in these examination, you will be going to the intelligence and personality test. So you have to clear stage 1 and stage 2. So it will be of description test and picture preservation. So please be aware of that thing. And the section 2 will be comprised of interview, group testing, officer task and psychology test and the conference. It will be of 4 days, the examination. This test will be conducted of 4 days. So you have to be well prepared of that things also. And here they have given the procedures and the instructions which should be followed while doing your online application. So please be aware of that thing. And while doing your application procedure, you have to have your valid mobile number and an email ID, and you have to give your passport size photo also, and you should have a photo identity card document. It should be in a PDF format only. So while doing your application procedure, please be very careful, and please read this PDF twice to thrice to get relevant references also. And they have given the special instructions for the candidates for objective type test. They have given a detailed explanation about this examination, and the instructions and the criteria which you should be following in the examination hall, and as well as in your examinations and your question papers. Please be aware of that thing, and please read this very thoroughly before going for your examination. And additionally, they have given many of the details about this objective type testings only, and they have also mentioned how to be very prepared for your examination, that is in which column you have to fill which thing, and they have also given a detail about this. If you want to know more about this, you can learn this PDF. For your convenience, we have given the PDF link in the description box. So that's it. So in the PDF, they have given a lot of details about this examination and the criteria which you should be following, and etc. And at last, they have also mentioned the physical fitness test also. So you should be very physically fit. So if you're having a passion of working in a government job, and if you're having a very passionate about going in UPSC examination, so it's a very golden and a very good opportunity. So if they give any update regarding this examination, we will also update you for your convenience. So last but not the least, for your convenience, we have given this PDF link in the description box so that you can get relevant information also and reference also. Please be prepared for this your examination, and start to prepare from now itself, and do your application procedure as soon as possible, and don't waste a single minute and single second. All the very best, and best of luck for your examination and for your success from our team. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates, and don't forget to like and comment and share our video. Thank you.